Hey guys, it's Katie and we are so excited to be back for this 5th bonus week of the Spring Slim Down Challenge. Woo! This has been so much fun. You have been working so crazy hard, so we thought we'd give you an extra week to keep pushing toward those goals. And this workout is really gonna help you do it. This is a full body HIIT workout that is gonna work every single inch and help you overcome those plateaus to really push it this last week. As always, you don't need any equipment, just your beautiful self. So if you are ready, sweat that thumbs up, give it a little click, and let's get started. For today's HIIT workout, we're gonna do things a little bit differently. We're gonna be going for 30 seconds on with a 30-second rest in between each set of exercises. This means when you do those 30 seconds, I want you to push it as hard as you possibly can, like 90 to 100% of your max effort, and then you can rest and bring that heart rate back down. We're gonna walk through the moves really quickly before we get started. As it's been through the whole Spring Slim Down, Natalie has some modifications for you. So if anything is too intense, if you want lower impact, follow along with Natalie. But let me show you these moves first. So we're gonna start in a plank. For the first move, from your plank, you're gonna hop your feet up a couple inches, hop them up a little bit more, take them back a few inches, and back. So you go up, up, back, back. That's it. For our second move, we're gonna take an X squat jump. So you're gonna come down into a deep squat. Your hands can just come to your heart or by your side. And as you jump up, you're gonna crisscross your legs and land softly, and then switch which leg goes in the front. So crisscross down, right over left, left over right. Cool? Third move is back in a plank, but there are variations. So you can start on your knees and your forearms, or you can come into a full forearm plank, or into a full plank. From here, you're gonna take your left knee, drive it toward your left elbow, step it back and switch, back and switch. Just alternating knees. Our fourth move is a back to front squat. So you're gonna come down nice and low, hop up a few inches, and hop back a few inches. Whoop. Hop up and back, up and back. And our final move is a 3-point burpee. So back in that plank, from a high plank, you're gonna hop your feet to the right, take them back to plank, to the left, back to plank, then jump it up and jump. So to the right, center, left, center, and jump. All right, we ready for this? You guys got it? All right, let's do this. All right, we're gonna start with those plank ladders down on the floor in your plank, really light on the toes. In 3, 2, 1, let's go. Bring it up, up, back, back. Try not to let those feet land too hard. In, lots of core control. Come on. You're gonna feel this in your shoulders, all through the arms, in the core, in those quads, getting everything nice and warmed up and working here. Back, 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 back. 4 more seconds. 2, and last one. Woo! All right, hop on up. Nice job. Are you feeling warm?
Yes.
Yeah, good. All right, next we're gonna have those squat X Factor jumps. So you're gonna get low, crisscross, down, and crisscross. But take this time, let your heart rate down. Again, I want you pushing as hard as you can in this next little set here. Whew. Okay, 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, get low and crisscross, crisscross. Moving as quickly as you can. Squeeze the inner thighs together. Woo, you're gonna get those inner thighs. The quads are like high. And that heart rate is up. Woo. You got this. Big exhale. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and shake it out. Woo. Holy quads, right? Oh my goodness. All right, slow breaths. Slowing down that heart rate. We're moving on. Next to the plank with the knee drives, all the way down. So again, full plank, forearm plank, wherever you want to be. Left knee is gonna start. Left elbow step, in, In, let's go. Woo! Bring it in. If you want to make this more challenging, even faster. In, in. Right, left, right. Woo! Let's go, come on. You got it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and exhale, let it go. Shake it off. Whew, how are we doing? Yeah. Okay, we're in that final push. 2 more moves. The next one we have is our front to back squats. Again, if you need that modification, Natalie's your girl. A few more seconds, heart rate is coming down. All right. Ready? In 4, 3, 2, hop it up. Up, back, up, back, get low. Getting that body working harder, faster, making it stronger. Each second you push it. Woo. Really explode up and back. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and done. Shake it out. Ladies, one more. Heart rate down. Okay, the last one. Yeah, seriously, that last one is gonna get you in the best way possible. That's our plank. To the right, to the left, jump it up, burpee. Good? Okay, a few more seconds here. 5, 4, you got this, push strong. 2, 1, take it over. Right, center, left, center. Up and jump. Right, left, up and jump. Woo. Right, left, up and jump. Crunch those abs as the knees come to the side. Five more seconds. 3, 2, just jump it up one more time and let it go. Woo. Oh my goodness. Ladies. Woo. So how are you feeling?
It's so
Just
good. So crazy. Like the 30-second break in the beginning feels long, like you're just like whatever. And then at the end you're like,
Please longer, please longer. I know. So it's kind of crazy what can happen in just 30 seconds when you're really pushing it all out. So that's the key, guys. Even if you get off track, you mess up a move, or you need to modify, that is okay. The goal, again, is that you are pushing as hard as you can and you just keep moving. That's number one. And speaking of moving, you still have a couple rounds of this, I know. But you gotta get that 20 minutes of that HIIT in so you can get the most calorie burn, not only right now during this workout, but for the next 24 hours.
All day,
so,
every day.
yeah, I want you to repeat this 3 more times. You guys can handle it, right?
Yeah,
yeah, we're gonna do it.
Woo.
We're gonna do it 2, and as soon as you finish, whether it's 2 more rounds or 3 more rounds, I want you to write down below and just say, I love HIIT, because although it might hurt in the moment, you are gonna love it later. So comment, I love HIIT, sweat that thumbs up. And I have had so much fun with the Spring Slim Down Challenge. You guys, we have a couple more days. Make sure you take those after progress photos for your chance to win the crazy grand prize. I'm gonna link below for you, $500 shopping spree from Fabletics and tons of other stuff valued over $2,000 in prizes just for working out with us. So cool, so check that out. And I'll see you guys next week. Don't forget, good things come to those who sweat. Bye.